So we had some questions about other projects that we have here at the shop to work on. So I figured I'd do a little quick video and show some of the stuff we have. Here is a 1968 Camaro. It's a original 327. Pretty good shape. When we got it, it had the wrong brackets for the alternator and power steering pump and all that. So we got all that to put on. We might do an update and a video on that while we're installing all that. Car's in pretty good shape. The interior is really nice. Unfortunately, we didn't have an empty spot inside the shop this winter, so it's been sitting outside under some trees here in the parking lot. We have the original shifter to put back in it, to put everything back the way that it was from the factory, and a console here to go with it. Behind us, we have a 67 Camaro. The body is in super good shape on it. Needs a paint job, as you can tell. One way that you can tell the difference between a 67 and a 68 is the 67 has the wind glass, as the 68 does not. This car is super nice. Needs all redone. It needs a whole restoration, but the floor pans and everything's good on it, quarter panels and all that. So as you can see, the doors all shut real good. Everything works really good on it. Had a vinyl top at one time, which is notoriously good for rusting out the top like this. So we've removed that top, and all this will be taken back to bare metal and treated. That's just surface rust, so that'll clean up real good. Inside we have a 1965 GTO. We'll go inside and take a look at that. Okay, it doesn't look like much. When we got this car, it was pretty much all together, and that's the car that I'll put in the thumbnail for this video. It's a 1965 GTO. It is a documented GTO from Pontiac. Came factory with the 389 Tri Power, which means that it had 3 2-barrel carburetors, which here's the intake for it. The carburetors are off of it and all cleaned up and getting ready to be rebuilt. For this car, I have the new one-piece trunk pan, a one-piece floor pan for the whole cab part with the cross braces and everything. So all that will be pinch welded back in. We have a spot welder in the shop, so when you look at it after we've installed this, it'll be put back to just the way the factory had done it with the pinch welds. As you can see, we've been trading and buying a lot of parts for many years. This GTO in 1965, there was 20,547 of them built with the Tri Power intake. There was a total of 75,000 GTOs built in 1965. This one's kind of unique. It's got drum brakes on the front, no power brakes, no power steering. The only option that this car had, which is kind of funny, reverse lights was an option in 1965, and this car has the reverse light option. So it was pretty much all for get up and go, and hope you had a mile or two to slow down. But if you want updates and want to watch these future restorations, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell us what your favorite project is and what your favorite car was over the years, son. Let us know what you think. Thanks.